A soft hum fills the room as a gentle white noise machine starts, mimicking the womb and inviting a peaceful sleep. Parents report calmer fussiness as the sound stays steady, giving tiny bodies space to relax and breathe. Experts note that constant background noise can mask sudden household sounds, reducing wake-ups and extending nap cycles. Play at a quiet level and run 20 to 30 minutes to support deeper rest. Place the speaker away from the crib, use a timer, and avoid looping to prevent overstimulation.